And starting with some breaking news coming in, the Indian Army sources have slammed the propaganda over misinformation on the Poonch encounter. Army sources say some are spreading fake news on Poonch and the name of a soldier shared as killed is actually alive and serving. So as you have misinformation that is now floating on social media, that is the Indian Army now putting the facts on the table, slamming the propaganda over misinformation on the Poonch encounter, saying that though some are spreading fake news on the Poonch encounter, the operations that have entered day 9 and are sharing the name of a soldier as killed, he is actually alive and is currently serving. Gursimran is joining us with more details. Gursimran, you've been tracking the latest situation from Poonch the last 9 days as the operations, the anti-terror operations continue. There is also a host of misinformation that is being peddled, and the army now giving it back, saying the name of the soldier who you claim is killed is actually serving and very much alive.
This is a propaganda that is being run on social media by the terror outfit running by the name of People's Anti-Fascist Front, which is an offshoot of Lashkar but is working just to spread the propaganda. It all started on 12th of October when they first claimed that they have carried out attack. Then they released video of some of the weapons claiming that it was they have carried out the attack and they have the weapons. And then they resorted, it was 2:41 in the morning today when they released this video, this 1.5-minute video they have released. They claim that one of the sepoy of the Indian Army who has been killed by them. But in reality, this is a fake propaganda because they somehow manage that identity card and they are playing the gimmicks, the old play of Pakistan propaganda game against the Indian soldiers. Indian Army sources have confirmed to Republic that the soldier is alive and is performing his duties. The claims that are being made by
this fact that the Indian Army is now putting on the table. Let me quickly go across to our senior associate editor Shravan Sen also joining us. Shravan, tell us about this fake information that was being peddled on social media and the army now certainly calling it out, saying that the soldier that is being named and is being claimed as dead is actually alive and is very much serving.
Well, Prithvi, let me just quickly put this into perspective. These are sources within the defense establishment giving us information of what's really happening. And this is very, very important because what we've essentially seen is that even national dailies, we're not naming them, who have basically put out page 1 stories indicating new terrorist group by the name PAFF, that's People's Anti-Fascist Front, claiming responsibility for the attack. And not just that, national dailies as well as social media basically carrying out a propaganda which defense establishment essentially suspects is nothing but Pakistan's propaganda. This is something that we need to highlight because they've essentially said that Sepoy Harpreet Singh of the Indian Army was killed in an attack by terrorists. That is the claim that has essentially been made using that 8-minute propaganda video that has been put out by a terrorist group. Our sources within the defense establishment have essentially indicated that this claim is nothing but purely propaganda, as Sepoy Harpreet Singh is very much alive. He's performing his duty in his unit and is in the best of his health. We are not going to put out any further details as far as his unit is concerned. Where is he posted currently? Those details we are not putting out. But important to point out, Republic can tell our viewers right now with utmost certainty that this information that was put out by certain national dailies as well as social media with regards to Sepoy Harpreet Singh being killed by terrorist groups, that is incorrect. In fact, the Indian Army sources have essentially indicated that he's very much alive, performing his duties and is best of his health. Now, what we are essentially seeing over the last 24 to 48 hours as this Poonch encounter basically continues, there is a lot of propaganda that is essentially being doing the round to basically confuse people on the ground. And not only that, there is also an attempt to basically create a fear, psychosis, panic on the ground itself. That is something that we must avoid at this point in time because defense establishment sources within the defense establishment have clarified that nothing of that is true. And one more important information that I would like to put out is
absolutely. These are highly placed sources giving us facts on the Poonch misinformation, saying that, on social media, that video that is doing the rounds and as is being claimed by national dailies also is completely false, and the man, Sepoy Harpreet Singh, is very much alive and serving. Thank you, Shravan, for getting us those details. And given a reaction, they have confirmed to us as far as the Poonch misinformation is concerned, the defense sources now telling your channel that certain profiles are spreading fake news on the Poonch encounter that has been on for the past 9 days, claiming the role of a new outfit that is completely false. We'll track that story very closely. For the moment, we move on.